Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien and welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn French with Anubhav. In today's video, we are going to continue solving the CBSE Class 10 French sample paper for the batch 2025-26. And in today's video, we are going to start section B, Expression Écrite. The first question of section B is your letter writing question, informal letter writing. It's of 10 marks. You have got 3 options. Each option corresponds to one of the chapters that you have in syllabus. That is chapter number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and chapter 10. So in the final exam, you can get letters from any of these 3 chapters. Cool. Let's start reading the questions one by one. Écrivez une lettre de 80 mots. Vous écrivez votre amie indienne en lui décrivant le système politique français. Write a letter to your Indian friend, describing him or her the political system of France. You are writing to an Indian friend, so you may add any French city in your letter when you are writing the right. Just below the date, you can take the name of a French city. And the solution to this letter has already been uploaded on my channel. The reason why I always number my videos is the fact that I can easily reference them. You can simply search in the YouTube search bar, Learn French with Anubhav, #502. You will find that video. Similarly, to be, votre cousin vous a demandé des idées pour sauver notre planète. Écrivez-lui en décrivant ce qu'il faut faire. So your cousin asked you some ideas for saving our planet. Write him or her describing the things to be done. Similar question already been uploaded way too long time back. Video number 280. I repeat, video number 280. Learn French on above, #280. You get question on protéger l'environnement. You get sauver notre planète, sauver l'environnement. More or less, the answers are pretty much the same, except a few terminologies. Like if it's sauver notre planète, in the introductory para, you will write sauver notre planète, and if it's protéger l'environnement, you will write accordingly. Protéger la nature, you will write accordingly. Okay, but the content, the main body, the points will more or less remain the same, isn't it? 2C is what I'm going to discuss because I have certainly uploaded a similar letter on my channel already, which was talking about the days of the childhood. And there I had talked about loisirs, but interestingly, I haven't uploaded a letter on loisirs. So, Rédigez une lettre à votre sœur en lui parlant de vos loisirs préférés. Write a letter to your sister describing her. Oh, here it's votre cousin. So you have to write to a male cousin. Here, female friend. Okay, so it's describing her. Here, it's describing him. Fair enough, they have already justified the genders of the respondent. Sorry. And here, you are writing to your sister. So describe her, talking about your favorite leisure activities. A few things that you gotta take care. Réponse libre. Of course, there's a subjective answer to all these letters. Format. You're gonna get 4 marks. 2 marks for place, date, name, and name of addressee, the one who is receiving the letter, and introduction of the letter. 2 marks for ending expressions, sentences, and name of the writer. That means the closing part. Idea and creativity, 4 marks. Okay, 2 marks for all these, 2 marks for all these. So 4 marks in total. The format includes 4 marks. Idea and creativity, 4 marks. Content accuracy, presentation, cohesion of thoughts, 2 marks. Grammatical errors, only 2 marks to be deducted for grammatical errors. Minor spelling errors may be overlooked. That's fine. But certainly, minor spelling errors will never be overlooked in your grammar section. So please be careful. Misinterpretation of topic, only 2 marks to be deducted. Now, that does not mean that you write any random letter, no matter what was the question, and you get 8 on 8 just because your content was good. No. Misinterpretation means slight variation. Okay, you got deviated from the central idea of the letter, but content is still somewhat relevant. That is misinterpretation. And not like you wrote any random letter with flowery words, flowery sentences, and very beautiful content. You are going to get 8. Certainly, that's not going to be the case. Any appropriate or relevant approach may be accepted, fair enough. Textual phrases, expressions, or the student's own original expressions may be considered correct. 2. Only presence of place, date, beginning or ending salutation should be awarded 4 marks out of 10 as discussed in point A and B. No marks to be deducted for signing off done either on left or right, fair enough. Presence absence of indent paragraph should not lead to deduction of marks, cool. But certainly if you leave an indent and you uh, structure your letter into 3 paragraphs, intro, body and closing, that certainly enhances the presentation and there are chances of getting higher marks. So please adopt these practices. And now, time to discuss the answer. I hope the text is clear. Okay. So quickly reading what I have written, this is clearly my personal answer. Of course, there's a response libre, right? You can write whatever you want depending upon your choices. Since it's loisirs préférés, I have talked about the leisure activities that I do. You can talk about the leisure activities that you do. Rather, you have to talk about the leisure activities that you do, right? Le 7 novembre, vendredi, Delhi. Fair enough. I'm writing from Delhi. 7 November, Friday. The day on which I'm recording this video. Fair enough. So, Shad Akanksha. Akanksha, I took the name from the book itself. Comment vas-tu? J'espère. Ok. Je vais bien ici et j'espère que tu vas bien. Aujourd'hui, je vais te raconter mes loisirs préférés. How are you? I am doing well and I hope that you are doing well as well. Aujourd'hui, today, I am going to narrate to you my preferred leisure activities or hobbies. Tout d'abord, je suis absolument passionné par le dessin et la sculpture. Je les réalise à partir de textes religieux hindous. Okay. So first of all, I'm absolutely passionate for drawing and sculptures. I make them from the religious texts of Hinduism. Like you can check out my art account on Instagram. It is Roy underscore art gallery. A slight promotion of my art account. Okay, there you will see all the paintings, sketches, idols that I make. Fair enough. I have shared some of my artworks during a couple of my vlogs as well. So, regular viewers of my channel would be aware of the fact that I am into fine arts too. Fair enough. So, en fait, j'adore lire ces textes tous les jours. Of course, moreover, rather, in fact, I love reading these texts every day. This is something that I do regularly. Sorry, that I read these religious texts, right? Like Purans, Upanishads, and what else? Yeah, majorly Purans and Upanishads are what I have read. Yeah, some tantric texts as well. For example, Mahanirvana Tantra, Rudra Chandi Tantra, Kalika Tantra. Anyways, I have read quite a lot of genres. Nonetheless, let's continue the content that I have written. Tu sais, la vie est plutôt épuisante, donc je médite 2 fois par jour. Pour moi, c'est un véritable moment de détente qui m'apaise. So, you know, the life is very exhausting, therefore I meditate twice a day. And for me, it's no less than a relaxing moment or a leisure activity, you may call it, because that's what pleases me. Then my next hobby, parfois je danse aussi, notamment la kathak, la lavani, la garba, etc. The dance forms that I practice. So at times I dance as well, such as the kathak, which is a classical form, and the lavani and the garba, These two are your folk dance forms. Okay. Enfin, étant doctorant, j'apprécie également de faire de la recherche. So again, the regular viewers of my channel would be aware of the fact that I'm a PhD scholar pursuing PhD in management and IKS. So I really enjoy doing research work. So I have mentioned that as one of my loisirs préférés. Fair enough. Leave a line to make it clear that you are moving to the next paragraph. Ça c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Prends soin de toi, maman et papa. J'attendrai ta réponse. So that's all for today. Take care of yourself, mom and dad. Since I'm writing to my sister, I will write this way. Take care of yourself, mom and dad. I'll wait for your response. Hugs, and you close it with XYZ. If you have a name in the letter, write that name. Do not write any other fictitious name or your own actual name. Do not even think of it. You have a name in the question, write that. You don't have a name in the question, write XYZ or ABC. Done. With this, let's put a halt here. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Au revoir. N'oubliez pas que la langue française est l'amour.